guys, welcome back to another episode of What is Forex and how you can get started as a beginner. Okay guys, let's dive in. Let's start from lot size. So let's take a look of lot size in Forex trading. Lot size. Let's take a close look at lot size when trading. Forex is traded in amounts or portion referred to as lots. You can also say that lots is the quantity or portion of currency unit you will buy or sell. A lot is used on your trading platform to quote the amount of your order for a currency pair. This determines how much profit or loss you make, as well as the question of how much you need to deposit in a real account to make the money you want. Just like you will have different things in the market measured by the amount you are buying them. You have same in forex trading. Example, a dozen of books or a crate of eggs, a tuber of yam, etc. So a dozen of book is 12 books, while a crate of egg could be 20 or 30 eggs depending on the size of the crate. So forex trading make uses of quantity as well, only that it is quoted in lot size and not in money value. It is now left for you to understand how to convert the lot size into money value. The most popular lot size are listed below. You can see we have standard lot size, mini lot size and micro lot size. So a standard lot size represents 100,000 units of the currency pair and will be written as 1.00 on your broker. The mini lots represent 10,000 units of the currency pair being bought or sold and will be written as 1.0 or 1.10 on your broker. A micro lot, on the other hand, represents 1,000 units and it's represented as 0.01 on the broker. A micro lot, on the other hand, represents 1,000 units and it's represented as 0.01 on the broker. Look at it this way: the higher your account size, I mean money you deposited to trade with, the higher the lot size you can allocate trade to a trade. If you took a if you took at the unit figure we consider earlier when we introduced lot size as real money figure, in simple means that the richest of both traders will be the standard lot guy and the poorest is the micro lot guy. This is explaining how it's applied. The profit made by a standard lot is way bigger than that of micro lots, even if they are in the same trade with equal market movement. For instance, three traders for the same trade with same entry point and each their take profit of 15 pips. How much will each of them make using the different lot size? This is a question. So Mr. Standard, which is represent the a person that use a standard lot size, use as a standard lot size, will make $150. Mr. Mini will make $15 and Mr. Micro will make $1.5, which is $1.05. So can you now see the difference? I'm sure you get the hang of it now. Your lot size, which is depend on your account size, determine how much potential profit you can make from forex. True, This is not an extent. So now let's take a look of leverage. Let's move to leverage. So let's look into leverage. We as trader are so lucky to have leverage. We can now get into trading position that we normally won't be allowed considering how much we have. Leverage in English means to use something to maximize advantage. This is exactly what we do. We used borrowed fund made available from our brokers to increase our trading position beyond what would be available from our account balance alone. With this, you can use a small account to trade like you have a whole lot of money and maximize profits. If you need more information on leverage, I will also do a video. I will also do a video concerning how to use your MetaTrader 4, which is I will state as MetaTrader interface, right? So MetaTrader interface. So you by now I think you already know the apps that we use as a traders. We use TradingView, we use MetaTrader 4, we use MetaTrader 5 and our brokers. So that is the apps you need to download to get in as a beginner. So now let's proceed. So I will do the video, then I will draw it. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification button, so when I drop the video you will be the first one to watch it. So I'm very sure you must be worried about the word pips. Having seen it over and over again, basically pips is a major unit of measuring a foreign exchange. This is what we show to determine how far a currency pair has moved or the change between two price points. We have a full detailed lesson on how to calculate pip. I will also attach it to the video. I will also explain how to calculate pips in that MetaTrader interface. So I will do the video as soon as possible. So although it is important to take note that calculation of pip have been made easier as there are free tools that do the calculation for us. In other words, you really do not need to do the calculation by yourself. Always as the tools such as TradingView, ruler and price range tools that can do it at easy for you, although we still advise you to have a brief understanding on how it works. So now before we end this particular video, I would like to recap one things for you. So let's consider a brief topic before the ending of this video. So the topic is type of forex trading forex trader. Let me just say type of forex trader or type of forex trading style, which is scalpers rather. We have scalpers, we have day trader, and we have swing trader. So what are the scalpers rather, sorry. So those traders hold on to trade for a few seconds to a few minutes at the most. Their main objective is to grab very small amount of profit as many times as they can throughout the busiest time of the day. So day trader, what are day trader? Those traders usually take trade as beginning of the day during earlier season and then finish trading in later season. These kind of traders rarely hold their trades overnight. So swing trader, what are swing trader? Swing traders dey hold their trade for several days to several weeks at time. They do not visit their chart every day. They make their analysis for a long run and execute, and after that they just keep monitoring and adding new position. Let's talk about pending orders. What are pending orders? They are divided into two. We have stop order and limit order. So under stop order, we have buy stop and sell stop. Under limit order, we have buy limit and sell limit. So you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot right now. And now let's proceed. When using limit order, let's talk about limit order. When using limit order, you are instructing the trading platform to help you execute a trade either below the current price buy or below the current market price, which is sell. The limit A limit order is an order to buy or sell once the market reach a limit price which is set by you. If you place a buy limit order, the trade will be triggered once price goes below your specified price. Alternatively, if you place a sell limit order, the trade will be triggered once price goes above your specified price. So that is it for limit order. Let's talk about stop order. For stop order, you expect the market to keep on going in the trend is currently in, but you do not want to execute instantly. You simply stop your order from executing until it reach your desired price, then an entry is triggered. You would be use a stop order when you want to buy only after price rise to stop price, or sell only after the price fall to the stop price. The market has to get through your stop order before the trade is initial complete to buy limit, where it refers once it reach limit order. We have to buy and sell. We have to buy stop and sell stop. We have buy stop and sell stop rather. Yo guys, so this is the episode 3 on what is Forex and how you can get started as a beginner. You can see everything I've been talking about here. You can see what I mentioned like, which is buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit, and others. You can see it on your screen, so you have to master them. It is very important in most cases as a trader if you want to make uses of them. So in the next video, I'll be talking about how to use your MetaTrader 4 and your MetaTrader 5. I'll make a video on how to use both apps on your mobile phone. So make sure you subscribe. Then after that, I will also do a video concerning to pertaining to crypto, rather pertaining to crypto. So how you can open your crypto wallet, everything like that. I'll talk about it. Then I will also make a video on synthetic indices market, because we are talking about currency pair right now. So we may name mention synthetic indices and crypto also. So I will talking about everything later on in this same YouTube channel. But for now, this is the end for the currency pair, and I'll also do the MetaTrader 5 and your MetaTrader 5 interface, how you can place a trade, everything, how you can use them. I will make a video which I will be dropping next after this episode. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and share this to others.